We departed Turks and Caicos for a 4-day-long journey aiming to the east side of Puerto Rico, during which we lost 3 sails. 66 hours into the journey, we lost the 3rd sail and the safety margin of diesel was getting lower, so we decided to divert to the nearest port. This is how we ended up in San Juan after 74 hours.
And after all these troubles with sails, we happily motoring to port of San Juan. But suddenly when I change RPM, another trouble comes. It vibrates very badly. Actually, something must be in the propeller. I pulled over from the waterway, dropped the anchor to the first nearest safe spot, and got ready to hoist the yellow flag for the custom. Got ready to get underneath to examine propeller. Just before I get in the water, Coast Guard arrived. I explained them all the troubles, and they were so nice they offered me a tow to the safe marina, to the nice spot. Actually, they find a very nice spot that we like later on.
On the top of Trip Main and busted hardware on Jenny, and on Code Zero some line ripped. Now I picked up a nylon or something in the propeller. What I picked up, I'm not going to speculate, I'm going there to see. Let's explore.
Oh my goodness!
I have it on the propeller for about 300 miles.
Wow, we're lucky.
No wonder why it burns so much.
After everything settled down and we were happily on the anchor, we decided to go to town to buy a new block, the replacement from a self-tacking Jenny. Hope they're gonna have one.
Yeah, this is the one.
We were really exhausted by then, but happy that we got replacement parts and other things that we needed. The stop in San Juan was unplanned. We knew that we had a lot of things to do before we could proceed further. The emergency stop, however, turned into a pleasant stay, and we enjoyed sightseeing and meeting nice people while we worked to get sails fixed. We absolutely loved this spot and became our home for 9 days.
Once we settled down, the first priority was to look for a sailmaker in town.
We're walking to the town. There is a historic center. Actually, I love this place. I love it. I like San Juan. It's way above my expectation. Well, this is not easy to sail along this coast, but city on its own, everything is fine. If you ever end up here, you get all support you need. That's good. This used to be police station. I guess they don't need it anymore over here.
It's mango.
These are mangoes. Look at that. Oh, mango chicken. This is the place. If you ever come to San Juan and you are on the boat and you need something done, you have to go see Alina.
Yes, come on over. Happy to see you. She wasn't sure at first if her machine could handle such thick materials, but she asked us to bring the sail so that she could take a look. So the first step was taken. Next, we were going to remove the sail.
So we have to bring this down. Probably some clamps, vice grips or something. or some strong clamp. We're gonna clamp it down and force it downward. And the strong wind up coming over here, probably I overtied as well. We ripped the clew, and the clew on the mainsail totally come off. And as you see, the practically nothing got broken. It just ripped through the stitches. The stitching was UV deteriorated and fell apart. That's my explanation. So I just trying to take the morning view out of the deck, and then we drop it before the wind picks up. The head of the sail, of course, need to be removed from a halyard bracket. There's not really much access, so I'm trying very careful with prevention to not to drop it down to the bottom of the mast. Okay, let's go to Sailmaker. Okay, here we are, call Uber.
We found the sailmaker yesterday, and today we're back with the mainsail. Hopefully they will be able to fix it. We arrived at the shop first for the appointment. While waiting for Elena, we had a conversation with this gentleman taking a break. I hardly speak Spanish and he didn't speak English, but I think we managed somehow.
Ustedes dos ahí. Ay, mi madre. No son fáciles. Sí, sí, por eso mismo. Ay, ¿y quién es el capitán él? ¿Es el capitán?
El capitán.
Anda,
I'm just gonna do a zigzag up, and I'm gonna do the reverse there, and I'll do here. I'm just gonna do it back, and I'm gonna do the same thing here, and there.
We were getting anxious because we didn't know if Elena could handle it, but at the end, she pulled it out. She fixed our mainsail. Beautiful.
Finally got sail back.
The worst thing that can happen to you if you pull halyard, and this swivel head will end up somewhere up there, and the weight of halyard would practically doesn't allow you to bring it down. Don't stop. Naomi is going up on the mast, not just somewhere, she's going all the way to the top, entire top. We got a runaway halyard from several days ago when we code 0 give up, and we practically got a close call. That was on the way here. So because it's a 2-to-1, so we have to take a loop back in. And Naomi's gonna have a camera on her head. Okay, we're going up to recover halyard.
Oh my goodness. I didn't realize Mirtillo was this tall. It's about 22 meters.
Right on the top. Oh my god. Clip. Ready? Okay, coming down.
I was so happy that I could do this for us because I rely on Martin on absolutely everything. My going up and down was a big job, but I bet Martin got nervous hoisting me up and down because my life is literally in his hands. We were almost ready to cast off to the next destination, but before we take you there, we will show you the places we visited. Stay tuned!